What is up, guys? Sorry, I'm having some crazy mic issues today. It just keeps echoing for whatever reason. I try to upload the video. So I had today's session recorded, and I had to record another review, and this is my third review, so hopefully I've got it fixed. Let's start off with my Take Profit Pro account. I did $645 today, which we can withdraw from. Took a, well, that's not it. Let's refresh that page. All right. I don't want the 15-minute chart. Thank you, though. So we did mark this out yesterday as a on a 15-minute chart, and then we had this on the daily chart. So it's been respecting these two areas pretty well so far. Had another nice drop today, and I had, let's see, I had this drawn out. And I really was hoping we had some kind of stronger retracement here to give me another point of confluence when I drew this trend line. But anyway, I got jumpy again, still working on my patience here. I went long here. This was like an $85 trade. Next trade was a break even, and I really thought we were going to silver bullet back to Lisbon. It was just right there. Ended up getting stopped out, $400 loss. Went and switched my take profit to 200 pips, $50, and we smashed that TP. So I said, once we break this orange line, that's a trend line drawn on the daily. We cross this line, I'm in, fully engulfing. Let's go. So hopped in right there. Once I fully engulfed this candle, we wrote it up there for a $1,000 win. Closed that account out, plus 645 today. And we passed those other tests yesterday, so we only had to worry about 3 accounts today. This account was pretty awesome. It was 491. Did I not trade 491? No, we traded it here. All right. So this is pre-market. I had this trend line drawn based off of that rejection off of Lisbon. I said, hey, if we find support on VWAP, start creating a nice little W here with some SMT. Once we bust VWAP, I'm going to try to ride it to 200, and that's it, because the 200 acts like a wall. So we did that, broke our trend line, hopped in, sold. That was about $680 trade. And then I was messing around with some DCA. So bought one here, went against us. I bought another one there, and we ended up taking profit right around there. Could have held it a little bit longer, just didn't have any tensions. Saw a nice win today, so we closed this account out at 2,065. So we got 2,065 plus 645 so far, and we're gonna switch over to our last account. Last account was a little bit of a pain this morning, so to speak. So I entered this trade here, thought it was gonna break a 5-minute high and keep pushing, and it rejected. So I ended up doing a break-even trade there, closed out. I hopped in a sell here. My goal was to ride it to the 5-minute low. I could have held it for a full TP, but my main point was I didn't want to see another W forming over here and send me north. So I got hopped in there on that sell there, 21,334, and we got out 3 units at 325. Did some more trade on the other accounts here, and then I've been playing on 1NQ. We've been playing hard. So we took a buy here, sold right there for a little bit of money, and the goal was to build this to 53,000, 153 today. We're on day 2 or day 3 of trading this test for Take Profit Trader. And then I did take a buy here, sold another unit here, and I thought we were finding some support in this old trend line to head to the 200 VWAP. So I did take a buy here. Again, I was only using 1 unit. I let the trend go against us and run out of steam. I threw another buy there to change my entry position. We DCA'd it, and I just slowly watched it creep up. I was going to go ahead and kill the trade somewhere in this area. If we broke this orange trend line, I mean, we would have been down like 2-3 grand at that point, and it is what it is. We would have made it back just like we always do. Again, it's a test. So we ended up circling around, came back up, and sold them for in profit. This account is up $18.95 today, so we've got 2 of them about halfway past this test, which is pretty awesome. Well, it's $18.95, so we did $4,605 today on 3 accounts. We did take some losses on this account. We had a break even on this account. What else? This one was just our awesome account. And then we did take a stop out on this one. So 2 accounts we took 2 losses on, break even, and then the other one. So I did have the other tests that we passed. My main goal is to build this account up enough to where I'm not pulling any money out of my bank account anymore. I'm gonna use this profits here to go ahead and pay for past tests, any resets. If we had a reset, we're not gonna have to reset. We don't do that. We win here, baby. And I'm not here to teach anything or anything like that. I'm just recording for my own discipline. Like last night, I rewatched yesterday's session that I put up there, and I was just hitting myself on my head. Early entry. And it's not that I was wrong. Those trades were right. Same thing here. Early entry on my pro account. Like, if I just had a little bit more patience and I'm working on it, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna nail it down. Like, I'm just gonna super glue my hand down until it's ready to go. But I mean, it doesn't get any prettier than that right there. But that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna post this. Hopefully my mic works for this video and for tomorrow. And have an awesome day.